Morning, children. I hope everyone are fine, right? So in the last class, what we discussed, that is I given an introduction about the cube and cube roots, right? And how to find the cube root of a value and even a not cube root, okay, only cube. How to find the cube of the given number, and we saw that is using a formula, that is a plus b whole cube formula. We found a cube of a given number, right? So today's class we will start with the exercise number 4.1. Okay, to start exercise number 4.1 here. To start the exercise number 4.1 here. Exercise number 4.1. What is the first question they given here? The first question is, for each of the following numbers, find the ones digit in their cube. I told some points about this cube only, right? Some properties of a cubes I told. Using a property, we can say that the cube root of the given number, what is the ones digit in the cube root of a given number, right? So ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದರೆ first question 3274 is there. This is a given number, okay? So what is the ones digit value in a cube root of this number? We can't don't find here cube root of this number. So not cube root, it is a cube, okay? So don't find here a cube of this number. Cube of this number means you have to multiply 3 times here, right? So don't find cube of a number. Only using a properties of a cube, we can say that the ones digit value in the cube of this given number, right? So what they told, properties, I think it is a third property, okay? Third property, page number 56 open. In that they given here the number is ending with a number and it is having a unit digit in a cube of that number they given here, okay? So if number is ending with a 4, 56 page number, observe everyone. If number is ending with a 4, then what is the cube of that number ends with a digit, that is a 4 only, right? So here, therefore, right here, here are the numbers, okay? Ones digit in their cube, okay? Ones digit in their cube here. So this is here a number is ending with the 4, right? So a number is ending with the 4 means what is the ones digit in their cube according to the property? According to the property, it is 4 only. So the cube of this number is also ending with the 4 only, okay? Let's go for the second number. 931. Here number is ending with the 1. Okay, then what is the ones digit in their cube using a property? Say here, that is a 1 only. Right one. Next, third one. What is the third number? 108. Okay, here a number is ending with the 8. Then observe the property. If number is ending with the 8, the cube of that number ends with the digit 2. Okay, so in ones digit in their cube is 2. Okay, next, fourth one. What is the fourth number? 556. Okay, 556. A number is ending with the 6 here. Observe the property. If a number is ending with the 6, what is the ones digit in their cube? That is also 6. Next, fifth one, last one. What is the given last one here? 239, right? 239 means here a number is ending with the 9 here. A number is ending with the 9 here. So if number is ending with the 9, then what is the number ones digit in their cube? That is also 9. Using a property, I am doing all those things. Don't properties of a cube. So find the ones digit in the cube. That is third property, 56 page number. Okay. So first main completed. Next go for the second main. That is each of the following is obviously not a perfect cube. Just by looking at the number, give a reason why it is not a perfect cube. Okay. They are telling, they given us some numbers which are not a perfect cube here. Why they are not perfect? You have to give one reason. Okay. First one is a 72900 is there. Okay. So here again using a property only. See here. The property is, see here. A cube of a number ending with a 0 digit ends with a 3 zeros. Okay. So second way, you have to give the reason. They are not a perfect cube. Why they are not perfect cube? You have to give the reasons. First one. What is the first number? 72900 is there. Okay. If a cube of a number is ending with a 0, here I am using the fourth property. Okay. Fourth property. Observe fourth property. That is, if a cube of a number is ending with a 0, then it must be end by a 3 zeros. Okay. The property says the cube of a number ending with a 0 digit ends with the 3 zeros. Whichever have ending with a 0, then it must have a 3 zeros at the end. Whether we are having a 3 zeros here? No. So right here, it is not a perfect cube because it's not ending with the 3 zeros. Okay. Second one, go for the second problem. That is, what is the number second one they given? 8 lakh, right? Okay. Another property says here, use the another property. Which property we have to apply here? It is cube of first number and cube of a number. Okay, see here. If a number ends with the n zeros, then its cube will be end with the 3n zeros. Okay, here we must got the 3 0, otherwise 6 0. Then only it is a cube. Here we are having only 5 zeros, right? Always, if a number is here, if a number is ends with the 1 0, okay, then its cube will be always ends with the 3n zeros. That is 3 into 1, that is 3 zeros. Okay, so if number is having only 1 0, then its cube having a 3 zeros. If number is having a 2 zeros, then its cube is having a 6 zeros. But here we are having only 5 zeros. Therefore, write here. Because it's not ending with the 6 zeros. Okay. There must be a 6 0. Then only it is a perfect cube number. Otherwise, it's not perfect. Okay. Next one is a 3430. Same property. 3430. Only 1 0 is there. It must be end with the 3 zeros. Write the same reason. Okay. Same reason you have to write. So second main also completed. Now go for the third main. Okay. Find the cube of a find the cube of each of the following numbers using a alternate method. Okay. Alternate method is something that using a formula how to find the cube of the given number. Third one. Okay. First one. 34 is there. Okay. How to find this one? This is as a A here and this is as a B. Okay. So we know How to find using alternative method is nothing but using a formula. I told you on that test, that is here a cube and here 3a square b and 3ab square and here b cube. Right values. 3 cube first column. Next one is a 3 into 3 square is 9, b is 4. 3a is 3 and b square is 16. And what is the b cube value? That is 4 cube. 3 cube is nothing but 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27. Right here 27. Okay. Next value. 9 is a 27. 27 fours are 27 fours are 108. Okay. Next here 3 3 is a 9. 69 is a 144. Okay. So now only you have to write here a 4. Okay. So write a 4 here and take this 14 this side and add here. That will become a 12 and here 2, 22 and here write it 27 only. In next step it will be a 4 always and here only take a 2 here. Okay, and take 12 this side and add 7 plus 2 9, 2 plus 1 3. Okay, so what number you got here? Write it together, that numbers 3 9 2 4. Okay, so what is the cube of this number? Right here 34 cube is equal to 3924. Okay, so always the number is ending with the 4. The cube of the that number is also ends with the 4 only. We got now? Okay, observe the properties also here. Then only you can clarify the things here. Okay, so here cube of a number using a alternative method. Alternative method is nothing but a what? Which method? That is using a plus b whole cube formula. We have to find the cube of the given number. Only for a 2-digit number it is. Okay, don't it. We can't use for the 3-digit number. Why? Because in formula we are having a plus b whole cube. Means only 2 values we are having. Right? For that reason, it is for only 2-digit numbers, not for a 3-digit numbers. Okay? So using a alternate method, we found a cube of the given number. Do the another one. Go for the second problem. What is the second problem here we are having? That is 85. Okay. So 85 means here, what is it is? Observe properly. First value is a cube. 3a square b. 3b, sorry, 3a b square. And last one is b cube. Okay. So here a cube. 3 into a square is 64 and b is 5 and here 3 into a is 8, b is 25. B cube is a 5 cube. Okay. What is the 8 cube value? That is 64 into 8, 8 to the 32, 8 6 the 48 plus 3 is 5. Okay. So now here multiply. That is 64 into 15. 60 60, 15 6 is 90, 96 series. So 960 here. And here multiply. 25 into 24. That is 4 5 is 20. 4 to the 8 plus 2 is 10. 2 5 is 10. 1 carry. This is 4 and 5 here. And add the values. You get your 600. Okay. Wait. Somewhere we draw what? If a number is ending with the 5, then cube also have ending with the 5 only. But we are getting here not. Yeah, here one more is there, right? What is the 5 cube value? That is 125. 125. Okay. So round here 5 and right here. What we did in the last problem? I think we did wrong. Okay, we left a b cube value in that one. Don't know properly. Observe this one. If that is any wrong is there, then make it correction. Okay. I thought the b cube is left over. Okay. I didn't told about a b cube. It's wrong. So now observe here. A cube, 3a square, 3ab square, b cube. Okay. Make it correction from the first problem. Make it correction from the first problem. Okay. So here that is 5 means here take 5 and take 1 here and add. This is 12, 1, 6, right 960 only, here 5 only. Go for the next step. Here 5 only left, right here 2 and take 61 this side and add. Okay, so this will be a, yes, I did a wrong in the last problem, make it correction. So here only write a one value. Okay, take this 1 or 2 here and add 4, 1, 6. Okay, now we got the cube of the given number. What is the cube of a number? 85 cube, that is equal to 614125. Okay, 614125. This is the cube of the 85 number. Okay, I left b cube value in the last first problem. Make it correction. First problem is wrong one. This one is correct. Observe properly. So a cube, 3a square b, 3ab square b cube. A cube is 8 cube and here 3a square into b and 3a into b square and 5 cube. What is the 5 cube value? 125. Here multiply 600, it is 960. It is 505. So now here only take a 5 value, other this you take here and add. It will become a 61. And again the next step take a 2 here and again take here 61 and add. You will get a 1021. Again take here 1 and 1 or 2 take this side and add. It is 2 plus 2 4, 1, 5 plus 1 is 6. So at the end write all the numbers together, that is 6, 1, 4, 1, 2, 5. This is the cube of a 85. Like this we have to find the cube of the given number. Okay. Do the next one. 96 is the. Okay. Third one. 96. This is A and this is B. Right here. A cube, 3ab square and 3. Sorry, here a square, right? And ab square. Last one is b cube. Okay. So here 9 cube. 3 into 9 square is 81. B is 6 and A is 9, B square is 36 and B cube is 6 cube. Okay, write the values here. What is the 9 cube value? 9 nines are 81. 81 nines are 729. Okay, so here multiply and write. That is 6 3 is 18. 81 into 18. 18 ones are 18. 1 carry. 18 8s are 144. 144 plus 1 is 155. That is a 1458. Next multiply these values. 36 into 27. 7 6 are 42. 7 is 21. 25 is 2 6 are 12. 1 carry. This is the 6 7 here. So what is the answer? 972. What is the 6 cube value? I think 256. Sorry, 260. Okay. Yes. So now add here. Only write here a 6 value at the end digit and take 21 here and add. That will become what? 399 here. So write as you can see your values and go for the next step. If 6 is there, write only 3 and take here 99 and add 17, 15, 5, right? Next, in the next step, so here 6, 3, over here write the 7 value. Take here 155 and add 14, here 8, 8. What is the square of the, cube of the given number? The cube of the given number is right here 96 cube, that is equal to 884736, right? So what is the cube of a 96 here? 884736. Okay, like this we have to find the cube of a given number. Okay, so next another two are there, 71 and 62. That one do it yourself. Okay, so fourth one again they given. What is the fourth one they given here? Observe the pattern. Okay, you have to observe the pattern first. That is 2 cube minus 1 cube, that is equal to 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 into 2 into 1. Okay. Next one is a 4 cube minus 3 cube minus 2 cube, that is 1 plus 3 into 3 into 2. 4 cube is minus 3 cube is nothing but 1 plus 3 into 4 into 3. 5 cube minus 4 cube is equal to 1 plus 3 into 5 into 4. Observe the pattern and complete the each of the following they ask here. Otherwise I do in next class. Okay. Here only. We come to school now. In here, in this class only, I'll solve that next pattern. Okay. So homework is solve exercise number 4.1 till third main. Till third main you have to solve. That is a homework for you. And while coming to the school, please complete your CW as well as HW. I am going to check all the things. Keep it in your mind. Okay. Thank you everyone. We'll meet in the next class.